Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to submit assignment in Google Classroom. You can do same process and very easily submit your assignment using these tips and tricks. So how to do it? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So now you just consider I am a student. So first of all, I open my classroom here 9th class. I enter the 9th class and just check here classwork if any classworks are available. I am receiving today math assignment due to the submit tomorrow. I just simply click here. My professor are providing me 5 mathematics questions. I write down those questions as a blank paper, as a white paper, and capture this image, convert this image as a PDF format. Otherwise I can use Word document and type the particular question here, copy and paste, and then type who is the father of mathematics, who invents zero, average of the first 5 natural numbers. So I'm putting those information in Word format and then submit here. So how to do it? Just simply copy those words. I'm putting as a Word format, and I already created such kind of assignment. No matter you type those assignment, no matter you write as a white paper, capture those images and convert those images as a PDF format. I save this file and I type my name research. Professor easily understand who sent this particular assignment. So I convert this one as a PDF format and desktop export. Almost done. Yeah, this PDF are generated here. Look at this. So now I want to submit this assignment. Sangram Singh Kaite is a professor. He is posted as a math related assignment. I simply click here. And here add or create. So simply click here. Google Drive link, file, doc, slide, sheets and drawing. So simply I add the file here, browse in my computer, and then submit the assignment here. Wait a couple of seconds. Got it? Yeah. And I submitted this assignment on the particular class. It's very simple to submit the assignment. You can do same process and submit your assignment. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. Same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.